Okay, so let us try to understand the solution of this particular question. We already have a figure with us, so the calculations should become easier. Let us try to look at the figure as and when we read the question. The question is the sides AB and DC of a cyclic quadrilateral. AB and DC of cyclic quadrilateral ABCD when produced meet at E. The sides DA and BC are produced to meet at F. If angle BEC, where is angle BEC? This is angle BEC. Angle BEC is equal to 42 degrees and angle BAD is equal to 98 degrees. We have to calculate the values of the angles AFB. AFB is this angle, and ADC. ADC is this angle. This is the question. So now, the easiest thing that you can observe in this particular question is that if you look at triangle AED, then in triangle AED, you already know two angles, angle A as well as angle E, right? So using angle sum properties, you can directly find the value of angle ADC. So let us write that 98 degrees, which is one of the angles, 98 degrees plus 42 degrees plus your angle ADC should become equal to 180 degrees, which means that your angle ADC should become equal to 180 degrees minus 140 degrees, which means that your angle ADC is equal to 40 degrees. This completes our second part. Now try to find angle AFB. To do that, let us first look at the quadrilateral ABCD. Now this quadrilateral ABCD is cyclic, which means that the sum of the opposite angles of this particular quadrilateral should be 180 degrees, right? Which means that I can now comment on the value of angle BCD, right? This angle BCD plus 98 degrees should be equal to what? Should be equal to 180 degrees, which means that angle BCD should be equal to 82 degrees. Let us remember this. What else can you observe? If you try to see just the triangle BEC, then for this triangle BEC, your angle which you just found, angle BCD becomes the exterior angle, which is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles, right? Which means that 82 degrees should be equal to angle CBE plus 42 degrees, which implies your angle CBE is equal to 40 degrees. Let us remember this also. Now, since your angle CBE is equal to 40 degrees, then your angle ABF should also become 40 degrees, because these are vertically opposite angles, right? Now try to look at this particular angle, this angle FAB. Your FAB plus BAD, these two angles should add up to 180 degrees, because DAF is a single line, right? So you can write angle FAB plus 98 degrees is equal to 180 degrees, which will give you the value of angle FAB to be 82 degrees again, right? So now in this triangle AFB, two values of angles are already known. One angle is 82 degrees, another angle is 40 degrees. So again, in triangle AFB, let us use angle sum properties and get the value of angle AFB. So now angle AFB plus 82 degrees plus 40 degrees should become equal to 180 degrees, which means that your angle AFB is equal to 58 degrees, correct? This completes both of your parts.